game. All you have to do is like take this and go like this, and you can't touch the black. Do you see that bug?
Yeah.
And you can't like do it. And you have to like do it. Yeah. Do you have butterflies?
Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't. Like I was doing it last night. And I was
What
like,
if I scream really loud?
it's okay. You can't touch the black.
It's hard. I'm
I
sorry.
know it's hard. Wait till you get to level 3.
Okay.
I need like a regular mouse.
I know.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. I don't know why. I'm excited.
I'm shaky.
Oh my god.
How am I supposed to make it through here?
Just concentrate. Oh god. Wait a minute, go slower.
How are you supposed to make it through
No,
this?
you just gotta do it. Just do it.
I bet you the Exorcist face thing comes up being this one.
Just do it. Go slower though.
Why?
Go slower. Just go slower.
You know what's gonna happen.
I don't know. I'm not. I fixed my hair.
No, you're like walking around pacing and everything.
Because I'm nervous.
I'm nervous too.
Oh god. Oh my god. This is really yeah, I know when it pops up, but I don't know when. Like, they trick you. Like, okay, now I have to be really